Hi and welcome to Pebbles channel. So I hope you're all refreshed after the season, and now we are dealing with topics in grammar, and we have seen what is a verb. That is, verb is an action word or a doing word. It tells us what a person or thing is doing, and if given a sentence, we are capable of picking out the verb because we are quite thorough with all the exercises done. Next, we have seen what is a noun. So the noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing, and the types of nouns, that is a common noun, proper noun, countable and uncountable nouns, abstract nouns. So next is, and we have seen what is a proper noun. So the proper noun is the name of a person, place or thing. That is, it is a specific name of a person, place or thing, and it always starts with a capital letter. And there are certain examples like the months of the year and the days of the week, which always are written in capital letters. And then it is the common nouns, that is the names of persons, places, animals and things, and they don't start with a capital letter. So now we move on to our next topic, that is your pronouns. So today's topic will be pronouns. So what do we mean by pronouns? So a pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun. So I repeat, a pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun. So for example, I am writing a sentence. Mary is singing. Mary sings very beautifully. So instead of repeating, the noun there is Mary, and instead of repeating the word Mary again, I can replace it with a pronoun. So I can form my sentence like, Mary is singing, she sings beautifully. So I give you another example for a pronoun. So Jack studies very well. Jack is the topper in the class. So in these two sentences, Jack studies very well. Jack is the topper in the class. So first we have to find which is the noun there. So the noun is Jack. So Jack is the noun. It is the name of a person and it starts with a capital letter. So Jack studies very well, and we are talking about the same person in the next sentence. Jack is the topper in the class. So instead of using the noun again, that is Jack, in the second sentence, I am replacing it with another word, and that word is called the pronoun. So instead of saying Jack again, I say he. I say the word he. He is the topper in the class. So the word he is the pronoun because it is the word that replaces the noun in the sentence. So a pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun. So in my example, I have given Jack studies very well. Jack is the topper in the class. So I found out that Jack is the noun there, and instead of repeating the noun again, I am using a pronoun. So the word he is the pronoun. So pronoun takes the place of the noun. So the word is the pronoun and it takes the place of the noun. So this is our meaning for pronoun. And I have a small chart with the pronouns written on them. So pronouns are used in place of a noun. And the pronouns are further classified into personal pronouns and possessive pronoun. So the personal pronouns, and we come across these personal pronouns in our everyday life, and it is singular. So when I say I, me, he, him, she, you, it, these are all the personal pronouns. So we talk about somebody or ourselves personally. So the word I, me, he, him, she, you, it. So these are all the personal pronouns in the singular form. So for example, he passed the book to me. So he and me are the personal pronouns in the example. So he passed the book to me. So the word he and me are pronouns and they are personal pronouns. The next is possessive pronouns in the singular form. My, mine, his, hers, you, your, yours, its. So these are all the personal pronouns, possessive pronouns in the singular form. My, mine, his, hers, your, yours, its. So these are all the possessive pronouns in the singular form. So example, that ball is his, or that dress is hers. So the word his, hers are all possessive pronouns and is singular in form. Again we have personal pronoun in the plural form. So we've seen personal pronoun in the singular form is I, me, he, him, she, you, it. These are all in the singular form. But the personal pronouns in the plural form is them, they, you, we, us. So these are all in the personal, in the plural form. That is when we talk about more than one person. Example, they are happy. So they are talking about these three children. They are happy. So these are personal pronouns in the plural form. The possessive pronouns in the plural form are their, theirs, are, ours, your, yours. So the possessive pronouns in the plural form are their, theirs, are, ours, your, yours. Example, this is their house. So there is possessive pronoun and in the plural form. So these are the two types of pronouns, that is personal and possessive, and we have seen for personal singular and plural, for possessive singular and plural. So a pronoun is a word that is used to replace a noun or that is used instead of a noun. So let us do some examples, or let us see some examples where we are making use of the pronouns.